Here's why the property market isn't collapsing yet. 307,000 people have been let off their mortgage repayments, so they don't have to sell the house having lost their job. The total amount of repayments that the banks have foregone, according to the Australian Bankers Association, including business loans and credit cards, is $6.8 billion. Also, 1 million super fund members have now applied for a total of $8.38 billion of their super, which is an average of a bit more than $8,000, which is less than the maximum allowed in early release of $10,000 this year. And the other bit of coronavirus recession news today was that consumer spending has lost all of the momentum gained from the stimulus package in late March. The index is based on actual spending by 250,000 people, so pretty solid data. On the share market today, Westpac released its horrible half-year result. Profit down 62%, $1.9 billion added to loan impairment provisions, and the dividend deferred. Westpac's share price went up though because it wasn't as bad as expected, and the banks, retailers and CSL pulled the index up by 1.2%. Afterpay shares jumped nearly 25% because the Chinese online commerce giant Tencent has bought 5% of the company. The US market fell quite heavily on Friday, which was May the 1st, prompting everyone to remember the old saying, sell in May and go away. And here's why people say that. The average performance on the US market from May to October is in orange on the graph. And from November through April, it's blue, which is when all the money is made on the share market, on average. The Australian dollar has slid back down below 64 US cents. And finally, it's Star Wars Day, May the 4th. So here's a chart of the revenue totals for the biggest box office franchises. Star Wars has just lightsabered James Bond. And that's finance. Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there. And don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.